Well, howdy there, Firebirds. Today is Friday, October 25th, 2019. My name is Aiden.
And I'm Alexis, and you are watching Firebird Feed.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
You may be seated, Firebirds.
All students and staff should be wearing their IDs around their necks at all times. If you do not have one, a new one will be needed to be purchased in the front office.
Keep bringing in socks for Socktober. We'll be accepting donations now through October 31st. Donations can be brought in to the front office.
Did you miss the NHS and NJHS this morning in B221? Be sure to attend the afternoon session from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. See Mrs. Smith or MD if you have any questions.
We want to see your Spirit Week photos. Be sure to tag the Fame Academy and Eastmark High School Instagram and Twitter accounts. You may see your photos on next week's announcements.
We only have 1 week left high school athletes until wrestling, basketball, and soccer tryouts begin. Make sure you register and get all your items completed on Register My Athlete before tryouts begin.
Tryouts for all 5 teams will begin the week of November 4th. See Ms. Horton in the front office or your coach if you have any questions.
FBLA and FBLA Middle Level are partnering up with Canyon State Credit Union for the Caring for Kids donation drive by collecting diapers for Arizona foster kids.
Combined, the 2 chapters are trying to collect 10,000 diapers. They can be in any size but are typically needed in 4, 5, or 6s.
Donations can be dropped off in B130 or at the front office. Donations will be accepted between now and December 13th.
For more information, speak with Mr. Stahl or one of the FBLA members.
Tryouts for high school boys basketball begin Monday, November 4th. You must be cleared through Register My Athlete to try out. See Coach Lynch if you have any questions.
There will be a meeting for all boys planning on trying out on Tuesday, October 29th for the last 10 minutes of lunch. It'll be in room B247.
Happy Fire birthday to Angela G., James M., Trevor S., and Coach Molander.
that looks like all the time we have for today's broadcast. I'm Aiden.
And I'm Alexis, and continue to fly far on this wonderful day.